Hello friends, today we start exercise 15.1 in that question number 17. A lot of 20 bulbs contain 4 defective ones. Total bulbs are 20, in that 4 are what? Defective. Then non-defective bulbs are 16. These are what? Non-defective bulbs, right? Now over here one bulb is drawn at random from the lot. What is the probability that this bulb is defective? First question is what? Probability of getting defective bulb. Probability of getting a defective bulb, that is equals to total bulbs 20. From that we want defective are what? 4. So 4 5s are 20. Answer is what? 1 divided by 5. Now second one, suppose that the bulb drawn in first is not defective and is not replaced. Defective भी नहीं है, replace भी नहीं है. Means now non-defective bulbs are what? Non-defective bulbs are 15, right? And defective, that is 4. Total 19 bulbs. Because it is not replaced, हमें रिप्लेस भी करना नहीं है. ये नॉन डिफेक्टिव है, यहाँ पर मिला है ऐसा कह रहे हैं वो लोग, राइट? तो एक कम हो जाएगा, टोटल 16 था उसमें से एक लेस हो जाएगा, 15. डिफेक्टिव 4 है, टोटल 19 हो गया. नाउ वन बल्ब इज ड्रॉन एट रैंडम फ्रॉम द रेस्ट. नाउ वी आर हाउ मेनी बल्ब्स? 19. व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट दिस बल्ब इज नॉट डिफेक्टिव? प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ getting non-defective bulbs, that is equals to total bulbs are 19, non-defective bulbs are what? 15. Then answer is what? 15 divided by 19. So this is our answer. Next question number 18. A box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. Total book disc 1 to 90. Total 90 discs and that number is 1 to 90. If one disc is is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears first one. A 2-digit number. A 2-digit number means what? Over here 2-digit number. So that starts with 10, 11 and last one, that is what? 90. Means probability of getting 2-digit number, that is equals to total numbers are 1 to 90, that's why 90. Now 2-digit numbers, so 2-digit numbers are start from 10, तो 1 to 9 are 1-digit numbers. टोटल 90 में से हम लोग 1 to 9 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो रिमेनिंग आर व्हाट? 81. इसको डिवाइड करें तो 9 9s are 81, 10 9s are 90. The answer is what? 9 divided by 10. Now second one. In second one, a perfect square number. Perfect square number. Now perfect square numbers between 1 to 90 means उसका स्क्वायर रूट पॉसिबल होना चाहिए, परफेक्ट नंबर आना चाहिए स्क्वायर रूट. तो 1 का स्क्वायर रूट 1, 4 का स्क्वायर रूट 2, फिर 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81। इसके आगे नहीं जा सकते क्योंकि अगर आगे जाएंगे तो 100 आएगा, 100 का स्क्वायर रूट 10 होगा, बट 100 हमारे 90 तक में नहीं है, मैक्सिमम कितना आएगा 81। नाउ प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग अ परफेक्ट square number that is equals to total numbers 90, perfect square numbers are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so 9 tens are, then answer 1 by 10. Next third one, that is a number divisible by 5, number divisible by 5, तो 5 डिविजिबल बाय 5, 1 to 90 में से, फिर 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85 and 90, right? Probability of getting a number which divisible by 5, that is equals total 90 numbers, and these are how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18, so कट करे तो 9 2s are 18 and 9 10s are 2 5s are, then answer is 1 divided by 5. So this is the answer of our 18th question. Next question number 19. In 19, a child has a die whose 6 faces, so in the letters are given below. 6 faces, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, A B C D E A. The die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting first one? A, probability of getting A, that is equals to total sides, how many sides? 6. Favorable cases means over here we want what? A. In 2 sides we are having what? A. So in numerator we put what? 2. 2 3s are 6, 1 by 3. Now second one, that is probability of getting D, probability of getting what? D. Total 6, D only one side, then answer is what? 1 by 6. Next question number 20. This is optional question, right? But we already means we seen this question. Suppose you drop a die at random on the rectangular region shown in the figure. This type of figure should be there. This is one rectangle, length is 3 meter, breadth is 2 meter. There is another circle in that. What is the probability that it will land inside the circle which diameter 1 meter? Over here diameter is 1 meter, then radius is what? Half of that diameter, that's why 1 by 2 meter. That radius of circle is what? 1 by 2 meter. And we have to find the probability that it will land inside the circle. Right? Now first we have to find area of rectangle. This is our total cases and this is our favorable cases. So favorable cases upon total cases. So we have to find area of rectangle first. Area of rectangle, that is equals to length into breadth, that is equals to 3 into 2, that is equals to 6 meter square. Next we have to find area of circle, that is equals to pi r square, that is pi r square means 1/2 whole square, that is pi into 1/4, then answer pi by 4 meter square. Now probability of the die land inside the circle, that is equals to, now total cases is 6 and favorable cases, that is pi by 4. Now simplify this, तो pi numerator में as it is 6 4s are 24. So this is our answer, pi by 24. Next question, that is 21. A lot consists of 144 ball pens. Total ball pens are how many? 144. Of which 20 are defectives. 20 defective. Then 124 are what? Non-defective, or you can say good one. Right? Now others are good. 20 are defectives and others are good. Right? Nuri will buy a pen if it is good. Nuri will buy a pen if it is good, but will not buy if it is defective. The shopkeeper draws one pen at random and gives it to her. What is the probability that she will buy it? First question, probability of Nuri buy the pen. Total pen 144 and Nuri buy if the pen is good one, then 124. चलो उसको कट करेंगे तो कितने से कट करें? पहले तो यहां पर 2 से कट करें तो 72 2 जा, राइट, 62, 32, next 31, next over here 36. Then answer is what? 31 divided by 36. Next second one, she will not buy it. She will not buy it. Probability of Nuri will not buy the pen, that is equals to total 144, and if defective then she will not buy it, that's why 20 divided by 144. चलो 4 से कट करेंगे तो यहाँ पर 4 5 are and 36 4 140. So this is our answer.